one of your headlines there was content creation. Now, right now, Sora is the big thing. YouTubers, or every YouTuber and their dog is talking about Sora and how amazing this generative video is, and the content creation at YouTube is going to be kind of doubling down on AI. They're going to have some sort of regulations in terms of what
Mhm.
content they monetize, but with deepfakes, with kind of a propaganda cold war. Well, there's hot wars going on everywhere right now, but still between kind of North America, Russia, China, Israel, Palestine, everything's kind of like, oh, what's going to go on? Is a nuke going to drop? Is it going to be what's going to happen here? With the deepfakes and with the ability of AI to produce like very real looking content outside of a digital ID, outside of some sort of identity verification, how could we go to a trusted source? Like, what would a trusted source of news look like for us? Like, I'll go look at Tucker Carlson because I trust Tucker Carlson, but how would I know it's actually Tucker Carlson
You
without
don't.
that verification? And if he has that verification, then he's obviously shown his ID to get that verification. So
The
what's
only tool that can protect us, ironically, against really high-end deep fakes is artificial intelligence. Because there are always going to be embedded codes in that AI generated content that we won't see. You know, if 3 pixels are off in the way light reflects off a person's pupils, AI will say, "Oh, that what's wrong with you? You can't see that." That's how AI would look at that. You and I would never notice that. It's impossible. You have, you know, a million pixels on your screen. You're going to notice 3 that are slightly off. So the only tools right now that we have that will protect us from these deep fakes is artificial intelligence. And creators, especially the short form, the reels, and YouTube Shorts, TikTok, they have something to worry about because
hmm.
you know I now don't need to you know jump down a flight of stairs on my skateboard and run the risk of breaking both my legs. I'll just get Sora to do it for me, make it hyper realistic, and people will say, "God, that guy's cool." And that that technology is this close. We already have apps that you can take a picture and it's going to scan your face in 3 dimensions, and you could put it on that avatar. We already have apps that will do make realistic movements in clothing and in hair. These are all you know calculations that have already been made. We already know what they are.